How to enable screen keyboard on laptop. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Whether you're using a touchscreen or just need an alternative way to type, this feature can be really useful. Let's get started. To turn on the on-screen keyboard, first move your cursor and click the Start menu, then select the Settings icon. In the Settings window, go to the Accessibility tab from the left-hand side. Now scroll down to the Interaction section and click on Keyboard to expand it. Here, you'll see an option for the on-screen keyboard. Just toggle the switch to turn it on, and the keyboard will appear on your screen. There's also a shortcut method for it. Simply press Windows key plus Control plus O to bring up the on-screen keyboard instantly. And that's how you enable and use the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.